See if it's lagging, Joanna.
Anybody on it? Let me scoot over.
Fourth grade math homework and review.
Fine. Yeah.
You don't have to keep pushing that.
Just make sure. You see it? Let's see. Wait, no, not that.
Ooh, nice and clear.
It is. Ooh.
Yeah, let me see. Everybody might be in her old live. I'm gonna tell them.
Can she delete it?
I know they're not on this.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how sexy is the underwear you have on right now?
You gotta cut the TV off?
Yeah, Danae, cut the TV off.
I just did. You need to, yeah, turn your thing on. Well, go out there and see if it's still doing that, because it might be my phone.
No, it's because we so close.
Is anybody on?
Somebody on. Unless that's your mom.
Oh, probably.
Huh?
These spiders. You need to walk by you now. Let me bring you some cook. I'm cooking or something. Let me bring you some food tomorrow. Huh? You heard that, Mom? She said no.
She ain't mean it.
Exactly.
That don't mean I'll never be hungry when I get home. Lunch doesn't have nothing to
When
do
you
with
get
dinner.
home, when you get to grandma's and I pick you up, it's like, nah. No, I'm just saying, I gotta bring you down to school.
This one doing, I think it's my internet.
Why?
Because it's doing the same thing.
What?
Stopping.
Don't it stop all the time?
Not as much as
They call it lagging or something, so.
You want to try it on my phone?
I don't know.
Are you gonna stay here?
I mean, for an hour, yes. That's why I came over here.
Cause I don't have no service on my phone, so whatever Wi-Fi is on the computer
I
is
know.
on mine.
See, on here is showing.
Hey, what's up?
So if the.
Grandma.
What you doing?
What the,
Say grandma.
huh?
What?
Hey, Dominique. Dominique, is it lagging?
You just got to tell my mother's house.
We're just trying to figure out what is going on. Is it lagging, Dominique?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not lagging on here? Okay. So maybe I'm going to see if some more people are going to get on. I'm on my granddaughter's phone now. So if nobody gets on, we're just going to wait until tomorrow. Hey, Joanna. Hi, Paris. Yeah, I started late because my I need to update my internet or something. I have no clue what it is. Yes, Yes, Dominique, you're the first one for this live, but I've been on since like 8 o'clock. So I came on, went off a few times trying to fix my internet. So somebody called my phone an old phone. Well, whoever said it bought it. They bought me this old phone 20 years ago, so they need to update. They need to update my phone and buy me the what's that new phone y'all call? The iPhone 11 or something like that. That will work just fine for me. So who's on here? I see Paris, Dominique, and Joanna. Just Paris and Dominique. Okay, so I am going to go over a few questions. I'm not going to go over all of them because I told the ones that were on earlier that I would just get on tomorrow and finish. I would get on tomorrow and we just get on tomorrow. So tonight, I'm going to just read a couple. So actually, I said we was going to start on page 31, but I changed it to page 33 because the information on page 31, we had to get the information from page 29, and we don't have page 29. So go to page 33. Are you guys on page 33? Let me know, Paris and Dominique, are you still on here? Okay, Dominique, you're still on here. Paris, are you still on here? Or I'm just talking to Dominique? It doesn't matter. I'm going to still just go ahead and go through it. So, okay, Dominique, it's just me, you, and Paris, I think. Okay. So, in a recent, and we're on page 33. Another look. In a recent year, Colorado issued 23,301 building permits and Vermont issued 2,296 building permits. Kyle said Colorado issued about 100 times as many permits as Vermont. Tell how you can construct an argument to justify whether or not Kyle's conjecture is true. Hold on. Let me get this book. Okay. I don't think we... Okay, a conjecture, the definition of conjecture is statement that is believed to be true but has not been proven. Okay? So just because somebody says it doesn't mean it's true because it hasn't been proven. So that's what constructive argument, that's what makes it a... Hey, Jason. So that's what makes it a constructive argument. So, constructing an argument to justify whether or not Kyle's conjecture is true. Kyle's conjecture is not true. Rounding to the nearest 10,000, Colorado issued about 20,000 building permits. Vermont issued about 2,000 permits. Rounding to the nearest 1,000. 100 times 2,000 is 200,000. So Colorado issued only about 10 times as many building permits as Vermont, not 100 times. So that's what makes the Kyle conjectures not true, because they did some rounding. They rounded 23,301 and 2,296. So they rounded both of those numbers, and that was the answer that they came up with. So now let's go ahead and go down to the bottom, where it says, Alyssa says it is easier to complete the numbers in set A than the numbers in set B. What is one way you could construct an argument justifying whether Asia's conjecture is true? Again, what is conjecture? Thank you. Thank you for liking my hat. So is her conjecture true? Let's look up, we already looked up the word conjecture. Conjecture, I hope I'm saying that word right. Which I sure I am. As close as it could be. So, well, you don't have your math book. Conjecture. Statement that is believed to be true, but has not been proven. So, we don't know if her statement is true because it hasn't been proven. So, we have to prove it. So, what is one way you could construct an argument justifying whether Alyssa's conjecture is true? Because Alyssa says, I'm going to write it down on the paper. She says that it is easier to compare the numbers in set A than the numbers in set B. So the numbers in set A are 45,760 and 1,025,680. Okay? And the ones in B are 492,111 and what's the other number? 409,867. Okay, first of all, which okay, I didn't get to see that. But which out of the two sets, set A and set B, it says Alyssa says it is easier to compare the numbers in set A than the numbers in set B. So, which one is easier? Which one is easier to compare the numbers? Is it A or B? When you look at these numbers, which numbers would be easier to compare, A or B? B, okay. Everybody said B. And why do you say B? Okay, first of all, let me tell you what to write. You have to have an understanding of what? Place values. Okay? So, that's what you need to write. You have to have an understanding of place value. You have to know what place value is. Okay? Hey, Kayla. Hey, Kayla McBride. So you have to have an understanding of place value. That's your first thing that you need to know. Okay? You can use place value and what's something else that you can use besides place value. Because what have we been working on? We have also been working on comparing. So, you have to have an understanding of place values and comparing. So make sure you write that down, girls and boys. Okay? I hope you got that written down. So, what is one way you could construct an argument justifying whether Alicia's conjecture is true? I could use my understanding of place value and comparing to explain that her conjecture is true. So we already know about rounding. We went over the rules about rounding. When a number is greater than 5, that's 1. Greater than 5. You don't have to write this down. Greater than 5. When it's the rounding number and the number is greater than 5, what do we add to that number? For instance, Dominique, okay. All right, Dominique, I am actually getting ready to get off. I'm not going to stay on here long because it is 9 o'clock and I wanted to be off by 9 o'clock. So, hey, Jaden, I am getting ready to get off. I'm going to be back on tomorrow, and I think I'm going to see will my granddaughter let me use her phone again tomorrow, or I'm going to have to download, or I'm going to go to my daughter's house. Her internet might be working a little better. I don't think it's the internet. I think it's my phone. I mean, my home computer, because it's not lagging. Now, is it, Jaden? Jaden, is it lagging? Nope. See, nope. It's not my computer. So, okay, I'm not even gonna stay on here long, Dominique. So you don't have to rewatch it. So, okay, girls and boys, Miss Hardy is getting ready to log off. I'll be back on tomorrow because, like I said, I know you girls and boys have to go to bed. I don't want to keep you up all night. So, all right, good night, girls and boys. My granddaughter's gonna have to come and show me how to turn this off because I truly don't know. Danae, could you come and show me? All right, Jason, see you tomorrow. I tried that. Or can we just... No,
No.
you didn't miss it too much.
Oh, it might be just explain. Oh, bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.